Well, that escalated quickly. Hey friends, I'm Mel and welcome to my kitchen. I've got a $200 Kroger grocery haul for you tonight. It was a pickup haul. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect to do a grocery haul at all this week. The only thing I really needed from the store were my salad fixings for the week and some more bread, which I already picked up over the weekend. But Kroger had some really good digital coupons. They expired on Tuesday night, so I scheduled me a grocery pickup for about 9 o'clock on Tuesday night. So without further ado, let me show you my $200 unexpected 9 p.m. grocery haul. Okay, we're going to do a little bit different. I changed things up a bit. They had some pretty good digital coupons here and sales on these snack things too. So let's see this and then we'll get this put away. I got us a loaf of garlic bread. I love this. I ordered a bag of the Kroger pre-cooked sausage patties, but they subbed this, which is fine. These are not pre-cooked, but this is really a lot better sausage, so I'm tickled with that. I got 4 Totinos this week, just various varieties. I got a big bag of the crispy chicken strips, a big bag of pizza rolls, and a 6-pound bag of the frozen boneless, skinless chicken breast. I got a bag of the Kroger tortilla chips because the Tostitos were on sale, but I just had a feeling they may not have them. So I got those. We will go through them. Got some tea bags. I got 2 boxes of the zipper sandwich bags because these were like $1 off each. So I went ahead and bought 2 because I use those. Got some raisin cream pies from Little Debbie. We've sort of been going old school on those around here recently. And I got some aluminum foil, some cheap freezer gallon-sized bags. I got 1, 2, 3 boxes of Kleenex. I was running low and I'm out at work too, so I need to take a box there. My little tuna packs were on sale for $1 each, so I grabbed 2 of those. I like to take those to work. Got some cheese singles, some Hillshire Farm honey ham. This Oscar Mayer lunch meat was on sale, and I really didn't think I would get this. That's why I bought that too. But this is the carving board. It's kind of a little bit thicker. This is so good to use on biscuits for breakfast. The Johnsonvilles were also on sale this week. Had a coupon. I just got 1 of those. I ordered better cheddar, but they were out, so we'll take that. Oscar Mayer bacon was also on a digital coupon this week, but I just got 1 pack of that. If you're not familiar with Kroger's weekly digital coupons, those are good for up to 5 items in one trip, and they're usually very high value coupons on 4 or 5 different items each week. In addition to that, this week, expiring on Tuesday night, they had some special bonus fuel point coupon. They were giving you an additional 200 fuel points off of a $50 order and an additional 500 fuel points off of a $100 purchase. So, fuel points at Kroger's, you get 1 point for every dollar that you spend. Every 100 points is worth 10 cents off a gallon of gas. So, just by going ahead and buying what I know I'm going to need for the next few weeks, this week I got 50 cents off a trip to the gas pumps. That's not even including the rest of what I spend and gain fuel points on. I should maybe have up to $1 or even more off gas at this point. You can use, I believe it is, up to $1 on a gas trip, and you can get up to 35 gallons with that. So we'll go and piggyback a lot of times with my husband's truck and me and fill up with these. So that being said, a lot of the things in this grocery haul tonight, they're not going to be eaten this week. I'm putting them back in the pantry. There are 4 of us here, and we all take a lunch pretty much 5 days a week, whether it's leftovers, sandwiches, wraps, salads, what have you. So we go through a lot of that kind of stuff. I ordered a big tray of fresh chicken because I really didn't think they would have that 6-pound bag in stock. But the big tray was out, and they subbed me this little tray of organic, which is fine. But if I paid $9 for it, that will not be fine with me. So we'll see. Got a pack of pepperoni. And then over here, all these Doritos. We got 2 regular and 2 Cool Ranch. They were on the $1.88, coupon if you buy 4 of them. This was a free item. Kroger's does that every so often. Things that you buy, they'll throw you a coupon out there that you can redeem for a free item. I got petite diced tomatoes, a can of Van Camp's chili with beans, chili sauce, 2 green beans. This is just a little restocking of some stuff we've used. Got 2 strawberry watermelon water mixers. They did not have what Callie usually gets. I got Patrick a thing of blueberry Pop-Tarts, my gum, Maddie's gum, Fruit Gushers. That was a substitution. Mott's were on sale. I think these are made by the same people too, but that's fine, I guess. And then I always like to get these little things just for little snacks and lunches. They have the little cheese here, and this one has pretzels. This one has breadsticks. Those are yummy. I grabbed a bag of sugar, some cheap napkins. Here's the Tostitos. They were on a really good digital coupon, and I did get a bite size and a Scoops. And I grabbed some paper towels. I grabbed some pretzels. We like our salty treats here. Got a really good looking head of lettuce. I just usually order broccoli crowns, but they didn't have any, so they gave me a bunch. So that's fine. I got an orange bell pepper, a Vidalia onion, green onions, and 1 cucumber. Got a bag of stuffing mix. I use this on top of my chicken casseroles. And if you've been here, you know that is my dish that I take whenever we serve for funerals at our church. And I just had to make one this weekend and noticed I was probably going to need some more stuffing soon. I grabbed this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, a little thing of bleach, toilet paper, and I ordered a 5-pound bag of potatoes, but it told me they were out, so I ended up with a 10-pound bag of Idaho potatoes. Friends, I about forgot to show you, got the 24-pack of water and 3 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dew for Patrick. I hope this video has given you a little bit of insight into the way that I save money on groceries and gas and other things shopping at Kroger's. And if you like grocery hauls, I have a whole playlist full of them. I'll link it down in my description box for you. And if you like little quick fill-in hauls and that kind of stuff, be sure and follow me on Instagram. I just share more quick daily life things over there too. And if you've only been here for the hauls and you didn't know it, I do What's for Dinner videos every Sunday night. I'll leave my latest one up on the screen so you can take a look at it if you haven't seen it. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you letting me share a little bit of my life with you and yours with me. And as always, until next time, I send you love from my kitchen.